this movie is a rom-com, it's a romantic comedy, and it's a very easy end. Okay, it has a twist to it because it's not very routine. It's a little I think it's my director's take on the film, so it's a little quirky. It's a lot of fun, and it's not slapstick comedy. It's very subtle comedy. I think definitely they do. I mean, if you can, especially if you're from college, if you're from that age group of teenage to in your 20s, in your late 20s, you can easily relate to it because there's an. So I'm playing Priya in the movie, and the main protagonist is Adi. And I think each one of us can see Adi and Priya in our lives. You know, which happens because we all go through that stage in life. See, it's a romantic comedy, so we're not portraying, like, conveying a very strong message here. So let me be very honest about it. It's a lot of fun. So, you know, you go watch it if you just want to relax and, you know, go with your girlfriends, go with your boyfriends, go with your friends actually, because then you can identify with the characters. Just have fun. Please go with your wife. You're going to fall in love and you're going to tell her, this is what I was like in college, and, you know, our constant fights and how we fell in love. Because when you're fighting, you know, there's also some love there. You know, it always happens. It's bound to happen. So there is no age group really. This is his debut film, and for a newcomer, he's very, very talented. He's energetic, and he is Adi in real life and real life, by the way. It's like a tailor-made role for him. And he's done a great job. When you will watch the movie and you'll know that he fits the character right in, like he's perfect as Adi. And we had a lot of fun shooting. He's very professional. And we also had a bit of bickering and a lot of fighting. And I think you needed that to bring a lot of originality to the character. So yeah, but you can tell me the chemistry once you watch the movie. Here's this girl she's got her head on her shoulders. She has her life together. She's mature, she's smart, I think it's safe to say she's a little dominating, but she knows what she wants. Well, I think if a person identifies with my partner, I'd actually love that. I think it's a compliment. And if they think I'm girl next door, if they think I'm anything, like as long as you can identify the character like my movie, I am ready to do it. So we've shot it exclusively in Andhra. And we've covered like almost every part of Hyderabad. See, there was nothing painful. I think it was a lot of fun, and memorable would be the entire film, to be honest, because you know I've got to work with such a young team. It's energetic. There's always everyone's bringing something to the table. Everyone's bringing something new to the table. It might not be very conventional because you know when you're young, your ideas are a little quirky. So I think I'm going to take that from them. I'm going to take the quirkiness. I'm going to take the madness from them. See, we're not trying to make it look or sound special here, let me be honest. But this is a story that is inspired from someone's life. I don't know if I should be saying this, but it is very fresh. You know, it has a fresh take on it. It has a twist to it. It's not very routine and conventional. I mean, in the way we have shot it, in the way we have made it. Whether it's the dialogues or whether it's the outfits. So I think you can, I mean, the audience can tell me better once they end up watching it. They will tell me whether it's special or not. And I like all the songs, and I have to thank Shravan for it. I haven't met him, but I like all the songs. Especially there's this mass number which I didn't get to dance to because Darren got to do it. I was really jealous, but that's a really catchy number, and I'm sure people will pick up and people will like it. He's a very interesting man. And he has a very interesting way of making movies. It's very simple because he's so easy to be with. You know, there is no pressure, there is no drama. It's just, he tells you that this is what the role is, and he doesn't tell you this is what the dialogue is, this is what you're supposed to do. He will let you be yourself. He will let you ad-lib, even if you can do it if need be. He'll let you do that. So he's one of those guys where I think you can take creativity to a new level, next level, because he allows you to do it. Hi everybody, or the viewers of Cinepros.com. This is Avantika, aka Priya from Meeku Media Marketing, and the movie is releasing on. It's going to be releasing, this month. This is Valentine month, so I hope you go watch it. We made it with a lot of love, and we had a blast shooting for it.